Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can view the list of accounts you have blocked on Instagram, as well as how you can add more accounts to this list or remove some. First, we will quickly check if our Instagram has been updated. Let's open App Store or Google Play Store on our phone and find Instagram. If the update button is there, click it and that's it. After that, open Instagram. Click on our profile. When the profile has opened, click on the three dashes in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the pop-up window. A large number of options will open, but the one we need is Privacy. We click. The option we need is at the bottom of the list and is called Blocked Account. We click. Here we can see the list of currently blocked accounts. If we want to add someone, click on the plus symbol in the upper right corner, or if we want to remove someone from the list, simply go to Unblock and confirm our choice in the pop-up window. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.